Emil Valhalla. For your service in battle, your courage in the face of death. For our enemy's village that you burned to the ground. For the nasty raw sewage you had to swim through to escape. For leaving your wife and her family to raid with us. You, Emil, shall be awarded our highest honor. Golden Beard Rings.
Congratulations, Emil. Looks like all that raiding and pillaging really paid off.
What is so funny?
Sounds like a lot of work.
Well, it was a lot of work and sacrifice. 5 years of my life I spent working with these rings. I lost my wife. I lost everything.
A lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
What is it?
You know, there is a website called thebeardstruggle.com that have all of these products in affordable price.
You're lying.
No, not at all. Let me just grab my cell phone, pull up the website. Look, it can be delivered by tomorrow.
Really?